Aquí está el pescado sudado. There's our fish with potatoes and all the ingredients. Comino, todo. Aquí están mis asistentes. So what do you think about making sudado pescado, Luna?
Oh.
Good.
What about you? What do you
Es
think?
muy delicioso.
And did you think it was hard or what? You can speak in English.
Easy.
What about you, Camila? What was your thought on this?
I think it was fun.
Yeah? And then what are we gonna make last?
I can make.
You're too heavy.
Tostones, yes.
You're too heavy.
So let's see if you can put the first toston. Be careful, remember like I told you. Don't drop it. Let's see if you can do it. Move. Yeah. Let it close, Wait. And move your hand quick. Yeah, but lay it down. Don't let it fall. Don't let it fall.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, look. Good, it's okay. So look, you go like this.
Can I check?
Go ahead, Sophie. Remember, don't let it drop. Just
Can I
touch the end of it at the bottom.
It's here.
Put it down. Let it touch the pan. Let it touch the pan. Don't worry. Papi's here. All right, don't worry. I'll take over.